guys, Rob from Vauxhall Auto here today. Just going to show you today's install, which is on a Vauxhall Insignia, or if you're from abroad, the Opel. It's our TZ1152X model, which fits the 2013 second edition onwards. So just be careful if you're buying this if it's got 2013 on your car, because you may need the pre-facelift one. So this is the one which is a little bit complicated to fit. Only reason being is because when you pull out your original radio, a lot of people think that the connections don't fit. Only reason being is because your power connection is right down there. Also, you have to pull this part off here, and you've got two cables going in here which basically plug into our cable, and that gives you the steering wheel control. Just wait for steering wheel control, I should tell you. Okay, so this is the CarPlay side of things. Obviously it's got Android Auto too, but obviously the phone connected today is an Apple product, so obviously you can't see the Android Auto. But this is the Car Auto app here, which is basically the Z-Link the Android Auto CarPlay app. So if we just basically go to here, onto the home page, this is what the home page looks like. Now, do not confuse these units for the £200 units, £150 units you see on eBay, because they're not. The systems have come from a Tesla factory, which are basically designated so to providing quality products. We say that is because a lot of factories just tend to make a generic screen type system, put a frame with it, and basically cheaper components inside, and they're just not very good. So these systems here are in excess of £400 on our website, and that reason for one reason alone is because the quality and the components inside are a lot more robust. So you'll find out that the systems are a lot more durable, stable, and well, I say very good units anyway. I won't go into any more into that, so I'll just start off at the top section here. You can see the navigation, so press that. It's got Google Maps on there, but you can load your own onto there from the Play Store. This is the radio interface here. As you can see, there's RDS up here, so it shows you the station name, music. This is where you put your music onto a flash stick and you can play it through the system. These are just demos that are on the system itself. As you can see, DSP is the sound processor channel, which basically allows you to customize a lot of the sound output on each speaker. As you can see, it's a bit too technical for my liking. 1 second, with my fat fingers. Okay, just go back to settings. This is where obviously you've got your back end settings here. As you can see, 1 second, Play Store. This is where your Play Store is, Explorer, that's a browser. Bluetooth, there's your Bluetooth menu. Console, this gives you computer information of the car's original system here. Phone link here is Mirror Link. Car Auto is the Android Auto app, sorry for the reflection because it's sunny. File Manager, so I'm going to keep it short today because obviously the customers has to go. So if you've got any questions, get in touch with us and I'll be pleased to help. Take care.